If you not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button for more videos. Hashtag Class 11 Biology Chapter 13, Plant Growth and Development. Teacher ****. Hello students. Today we are going to learn Class 11 Biology Chapter 13, Plant Growth and Development. Student ****. Sir, plants look silent. But do they really develop like animals? Teacher ****. Excellent question. A plant starts from a tiny seed, becomes a seedling, then a mature plant with roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. This whole journey is called development. Student ****. So development means only increase in size? Teacher ****. Not only size. Increase in size is called growth. But development includes growth, differentiation, maturation, flowering, fruiting, aging and death. Student ****. Then what controls all this? Teacher ****. Two types of factors. Internal factors like genes and plant growth regulators, and external factors like water, oxygen, nutrients, light, and temperature. Full chapter explanation in easy English. 1. What is plant growth? Growth means an irreversible permanent increase in the size of a cell, organ, or whole plant. Example. A small leaf becoming larger is growth. A root becoming longer is growth. A seedling becoming a plant is growth. Real life example ****. When you plant a bean seed in moist soil, first the root comes out, then the shoot grows upward. This visible increase is growth. 2. Why plant growth is special? Plants can grow throughout their life because they have meristems. Meristems are regions of continuously dividing cells. Important meristems. Root apical meristem, helps root grow longer. Shoot apical meristem, helps shoot grow taller. Vascular cambium and cork cambium, help in increase of girth. This is why trees keep growing in height and thickness for many years. Teacher ****. Animals usually stop growing after a certain age. But plants keep some growing regions active. Student ****. That is why old trees still grow new branches. Teacher ****. Correct. 3. Primary growth and secondary growth. Primary growth means increase in length. It happens due to root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem. Secondary growth means increase in thickness or girth. It happens due to lateral meristems like vascular cambium and cork cambium. Real life example ***. A young plant first becomes taller. Later, a tree trunk becomes thicker. Height increase is primary growth. Trunk thickness is secondary growth. 4. Growth is measurable. Growth can be measured using many parameters. Length, height, fresh weight, dry weight, area, volume, number of cells. Example. Root growth is measured by length. Leaf growth is measured by area. Fruit growth may be measured by weight or volume. 5 phases of growth. Growth has 3 main phases. 1. Meristematic phase. Cells divide actively. Cells have dense protoplasm and large nucleus. Example, cells near root tip and shoot tip. 2. Elongation phase. Cells increase in size. Vacuoles become larger. Cell walls extend. 3. Maturation phase. Cells become fully mature. They develop special structures and functions. Real life example. In a root tip, the tip region divides, the region behind it elongates, and the older region matures into tissues. 6. Growth rate. Growth rate means increase in growth per unit time. There are 2 important types. Arithmetic growth. Only one daughter cell continues to divide. Growth is constant. Graph is a straight line. Formula. LT equals L0 plus RT. Hashtag geometric growth. Both daughter cells continue to divide. Growth is slow at first, then rapid, then slows again. Graph is sigmoid or S-shaped. Phases of sigmoid curve. Lag phase. Log or exponential phase. Stationary phase. Real-life example. A small plant grows slowly at first. Then it grows fast when conditions are good. Later growth slows when space, nutrients, or age limits it. 7. Absolute and relative growth rate. Absolute growth rate means total growth per unit time. Relative growth rate means growth compared to the initial size. Example. If a small leaf grows from 5 square centimeters to 10 square centimeters, it doubles. If a big leaf grows from 50 square centimeters to 55 square centimeters, it increases only slightly compared to its original size. Both gain 5 square centimeters, but the small leaf has higher relative growth. 8 conditions needed for growth. Plants need water, oxygen, nutrients, optimum temperature, light, gravity signals. Water helps cell enlargement. Oxygen helps release energy. Nutrients help make protoplasm and new cells. Temperature affects enzyme activity. Light and gravity guide plant growth direction. Real-life example asterisk. A seed kept in dry soil will not germinate. But when water, oxygen, and proper temperature are available, it starts growing. 9. Differentiation. Differentiation means cells become specialized to perform specific functions. Example. Some cells become xylem vessels to conduct water. Some cells become epidermal cells for protection. Some become root hair cells for absorption. During differentiation, cells may change their wall, shape, and internal contents. 10. Dedifferentiation. Dedifferentiation means mature cells regain the ability to divide. Example. Parenchyma cells can become cambium under certain conditions. This is very important in plant tissue culture. 11. Redifferentiation. Redifferentiation means dedifferentiated cells again mature into specialized cells. Example. Cambium cells divide and produce secondary xylem and secondary phloem. Simple line to remember. Differentiation equals cell gets special job. Dedifferentiation equals mature cell becomes young/dividing again. Redifferentiation equals dividing cell again becomes specialized. 12. Development. Development includes all changes from seed germination to death. Development equals growth plus differentiation. It includes seed germination, seedling formation, vegetative growth, flowering, fruit formation, seed formation, senescence, death. Number 13. Plasticity. Plasticity is the ability of plants to change their form according to environment or life stage. Example. In some plants, juvenile leaves and adult leaves are different. In buttercup, leaves growing in water and leaves growing in air are different. This is called heterophyly. Real-life example asterisk. A plant growing in shade may produce larger, thinner leaves to capture more light. Number 14. Plant growth regulators, PGRs. Plant growth regulators are chemical substances that control plant growth and development. They are also called plant hormones or phytohormones. 5 major PGRs. 1. Auxins. 2. Gibberellins. 3. Cytokinins. 4. Ethylene. 5. Abscisic acid. Some are growth promoters. Some are growth inhibitors. Some can act in both ways depending on the situation. 15. Auxins. Auxins promote growth. Important examples. IAA. EBA. Na. 2,4-D. Functions of auxins. Initiate rooting in stem cuttings. Promote flowering in pineapple. Prevent early fruit and leaf drop. Control apical dominance. Induce parthenocarpy in tomato. Used as herbicide, example 2,4-D. Help xylem differentiation and cell division. Real-life example asterisk. In gardening, auxin rooting powder is applied to stem cuttings to help roots form faster. Apical dominance example asterisk asterisk. When the shoot tip is present, lateral buds do not grow much. If the tip is removed, side branches grow. This is used in tea plantations and hedge making. 16 Gibberellins. Gibberellins are growth-promoting hormones. Important example, GA3. Functions. Increase stem length. Increase grape stalk length. Improve apple shape. Delay senescence. Increase sugarcane stem length and yield. Promote bolting in cabbage and beet. Speed up malting in brewing industry. Real-life example asterisk. Spraying gibberellin on sugarcane can increase stem length, so more sugar is stored. 17 Cytokinins. Cytokinins mainly promote cell division. Functions. Promote cytokinesis. Help produce new leaves. Help chloroplast formation. Promote lateral shoot growth. Help overcome apical dominance. Delay leaf senescence by nutrient mobilization. Real-life example asterisk. Cytokinins can help keep leaves green for longer because they delay aging. 18 Ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous plant growth regulator. Functions. Promotes fruit ripening. Promotes senescence and abscission. Breaks seed and bud dormancy. Helps germination in peanut seeds. Promotes sprouting of potato tubers. Promotes root growth and root hair formation. Helps flowering in pineapple and mango. Used through ethefon. Real-life example asterisk. If a ripe banana is kept with unripe bananas, the unripe bananas ripen faster because the ripe banana releases ethylene. Number 19. Abscisic acid, ABA. ABA is mostly a growth inhibitor. Functions. Inhibits seed germination. Promotes seed dormancy. Helps seeds withstand dry conditions. Closes stomata during water stress. Increases stress tolerance. Acts opposite to gibberellins in many cases. ABA is called the stress hormone. Real-life example asterisk. During drought, ABA helps close stomata to reduce water loss. Important question and answer section. Q1. Define growth. Growth is an irreversible permanent increase in size of a cell, organ, or organism. Q2. Why is plant growth called indeterminate? Because plants have meristems that allow continuous growth throughout life. Q3. What is meristem? Meristem is a region of actively dividing cells in plants. Q4. What is primary growth? Primary growth is increase in length due to root and shoot apical meristems. Q5. What is secondary growth? Secondary growth is increase in girth due to lateral meristems like vascular cambium and cork cambium. Q6. Name the three phases of growth. Meristematic phase, elongation phase, and maturation phase. Q7. What is arithmetic growth? Arithmetic growth is constant growth where only one daughter cell continues to divide. Q8. What is geometric growth? Geometric growth occurs when both daughter cells continue to divide, producing exponential growth. Q9. What is sigmoid growth curve? It is an S-shaped growth curve with lag phase, exponential phase, and stationary phase. Q10. What is differentiation? Differentiation is the process by which cells mature and become specialized for specific functions. Q11. What is dedifferentiation? Dedifferentiation is the process where mature cells regain the ability to divide. Q12. What is redifferentiation? Redifferentiation is the process where dedifferentiated cells mature again into specialized cells. Q13. Define development. Development includes all changes from seed germination to senescence and death. Q14. What is plasticity in plants? Plasticity is the ability of plants to change their structure according to environment or life stage. Q15. What is heterophyly? Heterophyly is the presence of different types of leaves in the same plant due to age or environment. Q16. What are PGRs? PGRs are plant growth regulators, chemical substances that control plant growth and development. Q17. Name 5 major plant growth regulators. Auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Q18. Which hormone helps rooting in stem cuttings? Auxin. Q19. Which hormone causes fruit ripening? Ethylene. Q20. Which hormone is called stress hormone? Abscisic acid. Q21. Which hormone promotes bolting? Gibberellin. Q22. Which hormone promotes cell division? Cytokinin. Q23. Why is ABA called stress hormone? Because it helps plants tolerate stress by closing stomata and inducing dormancy. Q24. What is apical dominance? Apical dominance is the inhibition of lateral bud growth by the apical bud. Q25. Which hormone is used to kill dicot weeds? 2,4-D, a synthetic auxin. Dash. Real-life examples for better understanding. Example 1, seed germination. A dry seed looks inactive. But when it gets water, oxygen, and proper temperature, it germinates. This shows growth and development. Example 2, tea plant pruning. In tea plantations, shoot tips are cut. This removes apical dominance and promotes lateral branches, giving more leaves for tea production. Example 3, banana ripening. Ripe fruits release ethylene. If ripe bananas are kept with raw bananas, the raw bananas ripen faster. Example 4, drought stress. During water shortage, ABA closes stomata. This reduces water loss and helps the plant survive. Example 5, sugarcane yield. Gibberellins increase sugarcane stem length. Since sugar is stored in the stem, yield increases. Example 6, plant tissue culture. A mature plant cell can dedifferentiate and form callus. Under proper hormones, it can redifferentiate into a new plant. Tamil story-like narration for students. Shoot. Plant growth and development. Plant growth cell divide, special job. Cells xylem. Cells epidermis. Cells root hair. Special job differentiation. Plant cells special. Mature cells divide power. Dedifferentiation. Special cell redifferentiation. Plant growth control hormones chemicals. Plant growth regulators. Auxin hormone root formation. Gardening stem cutting rooting powder auxin. Gibberellin plant height. Sugarcane stem length. Cytokinin cell division. Leaves green. Ethylene fruit ripening. Ripe banana raw banana. Ethylene effect. ABA plant stress time. Stomata close water loss. ABA stress hormone. Plant, growth, differentiation, hormones, environment signals life story. Student asterisk Sir, now I understand that plant development is not just growing bigger. Teacher asterisk correct. Plant development means growth plus differentiation. It includes the full life cycle from seed germination to aging. Student asterisk meristems help continuous growth, and hormones control many changes. Teacher asterisk exactly. Remember this simple formula. Development equals growth plus differentiation. Student asterisk auxin for rooting, gibberellin for stem elongation, cytokinin for cell division, ethylene for fruit ripening and ABA for stress. Teacher asterisk perfect. If you remember these examples, this chapter becomes very easy for exams. Teacher asterisk if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel for more class 11 biology lessons with simple explanation, real-life examples, and exam-focused revision. Dash.
ஒரு சிறிய விதையை ஒரு குழந்தை மாதிரி நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த விதை மண்ணில் அமைதியாக கிடக்கும். மழை வந்ததும், தண்ணீர் கிடைத்ததும், சரியான வெப்பநிலை கிடைத்ததும், அந்த விதை உள்ளே தூங்கிக் கொண்டிருந்த உயிர் எழுந்து வேலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிக்கும். முதலில் வேர் வெளியே வரும். அது மண்ணுக்குள் சென்று தண்ணீரையும் கனிம சத்துகளையும் எடுக்க ஆரம்பிக்கும். பிறகு ஷூட் மேலே வந்து வெளிச்சத்தை நோக்கி வளர ஆரம்பிக்கும். இதுதான் பிளான்ட் growth and development ஆரம்பம். பிளான்ட் growth என்றால் வெறும் அளவு அதிகரிப்பல்ல. ஒரு செல் டிவைட் ஆகும், பெரிதாகும். பிறகு அதற்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் ஜாப் கிடைக்கும். சில செல்ஸ் சைலமாகி தண்ணீர் கடத்தும். சில செல்ஸ் எபிடெர்மிஸ் ஆகி பாதுகாப்பு தரும். சில செல்ஸ் ரூட் ஹேர் ஆகி தண்ணீர் உறிஞ்சும். இந்த ஸ்பெஷல் ஜாப் கிடைப்பதைத்தான் டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் சொல்றோமானால் பிளான்ட் செல்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல். சில மச்சுவர் செல்ஸ் மீண்டும் டிவைட் ஆகும் பவர் ஐ பெற முடியும். அதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன். பிறகு மீண்டும் ஸ்பெஷல் செல் ஆக மாறினால் அது ரிடிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன். ஒரு பிளான்ட்டுக்கு growth கண்ட்ரோல் செய்ய ஹார்மோன்ஸ் மாதிரி கெமிக்கல்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதுதான் பிளான்ட் growth ரெகுலேட்டர்ஸ். ஆக்சின் என்ற ஹார்மோன் ரூட் ஃபார்மேஷன்க்கு உதவும். கார்டனிங்ல ஸ்டெம் கட்டிங்க்கு ரூட்டிங் ஆட போடுவாங்க. அதில் ஆக்சின் இருக்கும். கிபரெலின் பிளான்ட் ஹைட் அதிகரிக்க உதவும். சுகர் கேன் ஸ்டெம் லெங்த் அதிகரிக்க இதை பயன்படுத்தலாம். சைட்டோகினின் செல் டிவிஷனுக்கு உதவும். லீவ்ஸ் கிரீனா இருக்கவும் உதவும். எத்திலைன் ஃப்ரூட் ரைப்பனிங் முக்கியம். ஒரு ரைப் பனானாவை ரா பனானா களுடன் வைத்தால் அவை சீக்கிரம் பழுக்கும். அது எஃபிலைன் எஃபெக்ட். ஏபை பிளான்ட்டுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் டைம்ல உதவும். தண்ணீர் குறைவாக இருக்கும் போது ஸ்டொமக் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி வாட்டர் லாஸ் குறைக்கும். அதனால ஆர்பிஐ வை ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஹார்மோன் சொல்றோம். அதனால் ஒரு பிளான்ட் அமைதியாக நிற்கிறது போல தெரிந்தாலும் அதன் உள்ளே growth, differentiation, hormones, environment signals எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு பெரிய லைஃப் ஸ்டோரி நடக்குது. Sir, now I understand that plant development is not just growing bigger. Correct? Plant development means growth plus differentiation. It includes the full life cycle from seed germination. Meristems. 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 Dear students, if you like simple study videos, chapter explanations, question and answer practice, and easy revision notes, please subscribe to our channel, save this playlist, and continue learning step by step. Your support motivates us to create more useful study-related videos. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.